Hey, what's happening, guys? This is kind of a little test slash I want to record myself with my phone while I'm driving. Not necessarily the safest thing in the world, but I am paying more attention to driving than I am to you guys. So I just flew my Phantom 4 in a I don't know what I would consider a more civilized area, basically downtown Laconia. And to do that, I stayed pretty much over the river, as you guys are going to see in this clip that I put together. And that basically, that way I'm not flying over people, over buildings, over other things. I'm over a waterway. So the worst that's going to happen is, my drone goes down, I lose my drone, shit happens. Guess I'm going to have to bleep that out. But, yeah, it's kind of a test just to see, what my phone will do. Go from there. So, hey, here's another thing I just thought of. My car needs a car wash. Yeah? Yeah, you guys want to watch that too? Why not? Sure.